welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to share my current spring makeup routine with you, as well as some Sephora Spring Savings top picks and recommendations. The Sephora Spring Savings event starts April 7th and you can save 10% off all the way up to 20% off depending on which level you are with Sephora. I'm going to share a few skincare prep things that I do in the morning when I wake up to prep my skin before I do a full face of makeup. And what I will do is apply a nice moisturizer. This goes on before my sunscreen, before foundation, and one of my favorite brands for moisturizer is First Aid Beauty. This is their Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. I'm pretty sure this one is new. I ordered this to try out. They also have another cream that I'm a big fan of, but this one seemed cool and I love the texture of it. When I wake up in the morning, my lips are always super dry, and I've been loving my Summer Fridays lip balm. This is their Butter Balm. It is so good. The only thing is the tube makes the product come out really fast, so you have to be careful about that. This is a Supergoop Matte Screen Sunscreen, one of my favorite products from Supergoop. It is a 100% mineral sunscreen, reef safe, vegan, no synthetic fragrance, won't irritate your skin, and they have a few different ones. The matte screen is really good for mattifying, and it has just like a little bit of tint to it as well. So sometimes I'll just wear this alone by itself and then go out for the day, but I am doing more of a full face for you guys. Moving on to foundation, this is what I'll use during the spring and summer months. It's relatively new to me, but I have been loving it. It is the Tower 28 Sunny Days Tinted Sunscreen. I have this in the color 05 Fairfax. Next for concealer, I'm going in with this new one from the brand Lawless. Here is their Conceal the Deal Full Coverage Concealer. This is a long-wearing and clean makeup product in the shade Linen. I'll just go in and apply this under my eyes here and around my nose area. Let's go ahead and get just a little bit of this shininess out of the picture here. So I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty powder. This is also a relatively new product to me. I just bought it on a whim. It was brand new from Rare Beauty, and I already love a few of Selena Gomez's products. Here's the setting powder in the light shade. I also love the packaging of it. It makes it really easy to like slide the powder top on. It's like built in. I love that. So let's go ahead and add some powder to my T-zone here. Let's move on to eyebrows. This is the Gimme Brow product from Benefit. I've used quite a few different eyebrow products for my eyebrows. I need like the perfect combo of light brown to a reddish shade to match my red hair, and this is the shade number 3. It's really good. I'm definitely a fan, and the little spoolie is so tiny and gives you the perfect precision to really fill in your brows and lift them up. on to blush and bronzer. I'm going to use one of my favorite bronzers from Ilia. I've mentioned this a few different times over on Instagram. Make sure to follow me. My handle is @AffordableByAmanda. I share a lot in Instagram stories about my daily beauty routine, and I gave this bronzer a shout out. It is their Drawn In Night Light Bronzing Powder. A little bit of this goes a long way, and it looks great on my fair skin. Now I look very sun-kissed, like I just got back from vacation. I love this bronzing powder so much from Ilia. Definitely one of my top recommendations. I've got a new Ilia stick. This is in the shade Whisper. It's their multi-stick. I have this in a different color, but I ordered this pretty peachy pink shade. So pretty. And these are really great for your cheeks or your lips. My favorite highlighting stick is from Merit. This is gorgeous. It's so creamy. It's in the shade Kava. It's their highlighting balm. How stunning is this eyeshadow palette? It's another Ilia product. There are so many warm neutral shades that I'm super excited to get into. This is their warm nude palette. Next, I'm going to go in with this shimmery shade. And on the outside, let's go in with this darker shade. We are almost finished with my spring makeup routine. Have to talk about this Merit mascara. I have so many different mascaras and I've tried a lot of different brands, but honestly, this one impresses me the most. It's even better than those Too Faced ones that I'm not going to mention. It is so good. It doesn't clump up my lashes. It gives me length and it also washes out very easily at the end of the night. I'm definitely someone who has a ton of lip products, and I have a couple of favorites. I'll go ahead and list them down below in the description box. Today, I'm going to apply this Hourglass Cream lip product. This is in the shade Indulge Velvet Story. It is so pretty. I cannot wait to show you guys what it looks like. Definitely a creamy lip product. This is my finished makeup look. How pretty is this color? Just took my hair down so I could show you guys the complete makeup look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more beauty videos from me on my channel. And don't forget to go down below, hit that red subscribe button. I share weekly fashion, try-on hauls, beauty, and home decor on my channel. Thanks for watching.